We handle Remnant and Spot TV as well as national network advertising. Advertising deals on cable news, Fox News, Fox Business, Bloomberg, CNN, MSNBC, CNBC, HLN and all cable networks. Also ESPN Sports TV rates and media kits available. Once thought to be too expensive and out of reach for the small to mid-sized advertiser, today's television advertising possibilities offer everyone an opportunity to take advantage of both the audio and visual aspect of television. The standard half hour of television contains 22 minutes of program and 8 minutes of commercials, 6 minutes for national advertising and 2 minutes for local. National advertising is obviously your most expensive option, but even then the rates vary by Nielsen-rated viewership. Most small to medium-sized business owners find that local advertising fits better with their budgets and marketing goals. Cable TV is the best value as you can get a lot of it really is better if you have a media buyer negotiate a decent rate to control costs. Call today.